Okay, so we are going to start the presentation. For the ones that doesn't know me, I'm Daniel. I'm part of the ID-David sales team for international. And as I said before, I'm gonna do this like introduction presentation for the new equipment that some of them they will be presented, well, all of them they will be presented in the 2026 price list, and we will be talking about it during the presentation. And if you have any question, as I said before, leave it on the chat at the end of the time. We will answer. So the idea of this kind of presentation is to be able to get closer to each other, and be aware, even before we have the price list, about all the new equipment that will be present, all the news, not just about the equipment, about the accessories, about technology, telemetry. So we are going to start with something that is already in the 2025 price list, which is the diagnostic kits. The main thing is that for so many of our dealer, and I guess it's something that it's happened to you as well, the after sales is always related to a problem or something that we have to solve. But we think that we have to see the after sales as something that we can improve or as a new line of business. And that's why we have the diagnostic kit. It's not just to solve, I will say it's something to be aware or to solve even before we have the problem. We have a couple options. We have the electrohydraulic kit, the MLT. It's already in the price list. It's including all those things. So I think if you have long distance with the farmers, it's a good way to solve the problem during the field time, and also to be prepared to find any kind of issue during the time that you are visiting your customer. So just not to have in the workshop, but also to have with the mechanic team that goes to the field. Then we have the electronic, and this is for control system. As we know now, we have more and more long range of different controls, and also for different screen. And I think having a diagnostic tool, it's really intuitive. It can give you a tool to solve all the kind of issues that we can have during the visits or during any kind of time. Starting with the products that we will be showing today, we will start with the chisel cultivator, the CULTIFRUT 2.0. So probably few of you know already, because we present during the 50th anniversary. We talk also during the CTEVI trade show in France about this machine. So this is a chisel cultivator within row weeder, and it's interesting because it's done for traditional and high density growths, and we can go from 6 up to 7 meters. I will show you a small video for some of them that you are not really, that you don't know the machines, that you can see the machine working. Something that we want to talk also, that I can say during the time that we see in the video, is that the 2026 price list, we expect to have probably at the end of February, just aligned with the FEMA trade show in Spain. It will be from the 10th to the 14th, I think, February. So all of those products, they are not yet in the 2025 price list. you have already got the brochure, or but with no price. After the meeting, we'll be sending an annex so you can have it before we have the price list. So you already got this by email. If you don't, we will be sending you again with the price after the meeting. So you have the machine, same as the in the 2025 price list with all the key points. You have the link to the YouTube video. You have the link to the information in our website. Then all the main key point, what is included as a standard equipment. Okay, because this is something really important, and we got so many questions about this, what is included or not. This is, and then what is depending on the control that you choose at the time you purchase the machine, what are the options that are included with each joystick. So we have the ID Plus, ID Micro, as you already know, and then the ID Basic, that it's coming with a new joystick, and the ID Plus Dual with the double pump. And if we go further, we have every model with all we have from 6 to 21 arms. So we have all the different possibilities. Here you have the technical details with the throws, all the accessories and option we can add it depending on the model. And something that it's interesting that we are adding, sorry, in the other models, it's some we'll say agricultural argument, like sales argument, more focused on the agricultural side, agri-technic side, I will say. Then the new range of subsoiler. So we have the ID-TERRA and the ID-TERRA Pro. So we'll start with the ID-TERRA. They are conceived and they are designed for the cover crop management. The ID-TERRA with the curved arm, which is designed to break really well compacted soil, especially to decompact the tractor trail. So this year, for example, in Spain, with the different weather, heavy rains, and different disease, we have a really compact soil. So this machine, we got a lot of inquiries because with a curved arm, it's helped to do two tasks, we'll say. One is decompact the soil for the tractor trail, and the other is kind of like roots pruner, like a soft root pruner, which will help also with the drain and with the quality of the soil. You can see tiny video. As we can see, for a really clayey or really clay soil, this would be doing this kind of curve, and then we have the roll, which would be like doing flatter what we have been working, or subsoil. It's really interesting if we have really clayey soil, if we have sandy soil as well. brochure. So as I said before, in the brochure that you already got, you have the link here to the video, a link to the website, all the key point, the different measure concerning depending what model. If you have a smooth roller, if you want a packer, and then as we say before, this is interesting because we have the functionality with some like agri-technique advice. Yes, advice. So you have here, and I think it's interesting to have this as a sales argument because the cover crop management is something that it's already new that we are learning day by day, and that I think that we have a huge that we have so far no roof to stop learning and selling new product that can help with this. So I go back to the presentation. So the ID-TERRA Pro, it's good for the same as I said. This is flat arms, not curved, but it's good for the draining system. So especially if we have areas in our field or in the customer field where you have a huge concentration of water and the draining it's not that good, we use the ID-TERRA to decompact and to create this draining. I will try to show the video. Yes, subsoiler, different option depending on how many arms you want to use, and it's basically to decompact the soil, not focus on the tractor tracks, and more focus to create the rain drainage. So as we can see here, the different with the ID-TERRA, we don't have this curve on the arm, so it's like a really straight, and it's for looking for another kind of decompact. Okay. This is the last one we present this system, the MFlow system, during our 50th anniversary. So I don't know, I think few of you have been present during the 50th anniversary and also probably during the CTEVI trade show. And basically, it's like an improve of the ID Plus Dual. So with the ID Plus Dual, we have a double pump. So when we have motorized tool, we have double pump independent oil flows, so we can have more precision and more speed on the tools without losing any kind of power. But the thing is that when we were using this motorized tool and we were using the just flat tools as like the blade, at the end having the ID Plus Dual, when we're not like in a plus, we're not like a key point or something like a, that we will say we were not adding value to the customer. With the system MFlow, once we are not using these double pump, like motorized tool, we can focus the full oil flow to the blades. So we will have the same kind of system and the same kind of power using the motorized tool that we were if we are using the blade. What is that? Like we'll have more power, more speed, and in terms of time and money, this is like a huge point to the customer because we have different customer. We have customer where they use during the year motorized tools, and in other time of the in another period of the year they use just mechanized like mechanic tools like the blade or something that don't need to be motorized. like the ID roll. So having the MFlow system, it's coming with a new joystick. So we will have one screen where we will be able to change the oil pressure using the joystick. So we will not be doing the same thing that we have done before with the black thing on the back of the machine. So we will be able to mount or lower the oil flow from the cabin. This is a huge improvement. So for so many customers, be able to change the oil flow directly from the cabin, I think it's a real adding value because we already have this with the ID Plus Dual, just for the motorized tool, but now we have for the full range of tools. Again, video.
In a world where every second counts and every resource matters, agriculture demands intelligence, precision, and sustainability. MFlow is the new system by ID-David. It automatically controls both flow and pressure. It operates in 2 modes, adapting to the specific crop and task at hand. In independent mode, each pump feeds a different system of the machine. One moves the in-row weeders with precision and strength, while the other powers motorized tools such as rotors or mowers. In combined mode, both pumps work together to power only the in-row weeders. This mode is used when no motorized tools are connected. It combines the flow of both pumps to deliver maximum power to the in-row weeders, ensuring faster and more efficient performance. Everything is controlled via joystick, featuring an intuitive interface, integrated sensors, and self-diagnostics. This system offers more efficiency with lower consumption, less maintenance with higher performance. MFlow is committed to a cleaner, chemical-free, more profitable, and connected agriculture. MFlow, hydraulic intelligence.
And then finally finish with the presentation. It's not already 100% done. We have the prototype. We have been working on it. It's the Rana. The Rana will be coming soon. It's like an adjustable width mower. But the thing is that we will be adding, we don't have any picture, but we will be with adaptation for mower, like Let and Go, like EcoTrim, like ID Roll. So we will have the adjustable width mower here, and we will be able to adapt like EcoTrim or Let and Go, as I said before. So we'll be able to work at the center of the row with a mower, and we will be doing the other tasks in the inter row. So this is the end of the presentation. I really appreciate your time. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure to have you here, and see you soon. Bye.